Hello, good morning. Good morning to all.
Good morning.
Good
Good
morning.
morning. Good morning. Very good morning. Very good morning. Very good morning, guys. How are you all?
Yeah, doing
Doing good. Doing good. Everyone, turn on your camera, please. Hmm. Okay. So we learned yesterday, and I guess who has doubt? Miracle has doubt. Yes, Miracle. What doubt you have? Turn on your camera, please.
Yeah, the terminal question second questions. The terminal.
Give me a second. Terminal question second. Okay. Just give me a second. Hmm. The length of a line segment joining 2 points 2, 3 and 4, x is 13 units. Find the value of x. Okay. So now in this question, give me a second. Okay. So the length of the line segment joining 2 points 2, 3 and 4, x is 13 units. Okay. So we know that, like for example, if I will draw the diagram, this is A, this is B. This its coordinates is 2, 3 and its coordinates is 4, x. Okay, and it is given the distance between them is 13 units. So we know that AB is equals to root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So AB is equals to root of, well, now what is x2? You can take any number. So it becomes 4 minus 2 square plus x minus 3 square. Now AB is given as 13 units. So 13 is equals to root of 2 square plus x minus 3 square. Now this square root will go to that side, become root. Yes, Justin.
No, it's not 13, it's root 13 units. It's root 13 units.
13. Given as root 13.
Oh, okay. Okay, my bad. Okay.
On forgetting the roots.
No. In the like when I did copy paste, the root automatically didn't came.
Why, sir?
I don't know. Okay, so it is root 13 is equals to, now the square of this is equals to 2 square is 4 plus it is in the form of a minus b. Miracle, are you there? Turn on the camera, please. So what is the identity of a minus b? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b, which is 3. Did you understand? Yes or no? So now 13, like this square and this root will cut. It will only become 13 is equals to 4 plus x square plus 9 minus 6x. So 13 is equals to 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9 is 13. So 13 plus x square minus 6x. Now this will go, it will become 0. So 0 is equals to x square minus 6x. Now this will go and it will become 6x is equals to x square. 6 is equals to x square by x. This and this will cut. So x is equals to 6. We got the answer.
Wait, x can also be equal to 0. You need to factor x square minus 6x.
I also got the
No.
same as 0.
Yeah, I got both 0 and 6. It can be both like how the previous time we did know it got plus 4 and minus 4. Same thing over here, it can be both 0 and 6 because you can factor x square minus 6x.
Okay, you can do that thing also, but I guess let me check the answer.
It's 0 and 6, not only.
Okay, 0 and 6. Okay, we have to factorize it. So we can do one thing. Because it's a quadratic equation, so we will do like this. 0 is equals to, I will take out the common, so it become x minus 6. Now I got two factors, which is x and x minus 6. So first, if I will take x is equals to 0, and the second one, if I will put in front of 0, so it become x minus 6 is equals to 0, x is equals to 6. So two answers can be there, x is equals to 6 and x is equals to 0, like that.
Okay. So whenever you get a quadratic equation, you need to factor it.
Yeah, factorize it and solve it. Did you understand me correctly? No. Okay, shall I raise this?
Yes.
One sec.
So I survived.
Yes.
So what's the correct answer? Is it 0 or 6 or is it both?
Both. 0 or 6, both can be the answer.
So should we also write the step which gives the answer 6?
Ooh.
Sorry, say it again.
Should I also write the step which gives the answer?
Yes, you have to write both the answers, which give answer sequence. Okay, shall I raise this?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Now put a heading of midpoint theorem. Midpoint theorem. Put a heading of midpoint theorem.
Midpoint. Okay. Midpoint.
Okay. Now, what do you mean by midpoint theorem? Okay, so we will understand this. Everyone, please put your pen down. Agatha, put your pen down, pen down. Hands up, like that. Okay, perfect. Okay, so now basically midpoint means the point which is mid. Wow, that is great. So, for example, if there are two coordinates, like this is A and this is B, and its coordinate is x1, comma y1, and its coordinate is x2 comma y2. Midpoint is the point on the line, okay, that divides the line in the ratio of 1 is to 1. That divides the ratio into 1 is to 1. So what does this mean? This means that if I will write x equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. So because m1 is 1, m2 is also 1, so I will write the values of that, like 1 into x2 plus 1 into x1 upon 1 plus 1. So the value of x will be x1 plus x2 by 2. Okay, when it is a midpoint, then the value of m1 and m2 become 1 and 1, and the formula will become x1 plus x2 by 2. Okay, in the same way, the y value will become y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, the same thing, the same formula will be there. M1 I will write 1, M2 I will write 1 upon 1 plus 1 become 2. So it become y1 plus y2 by 2. Everyone write it down. Everyone write it down.
Sir, is
Yes.
1 equal to m1 is to m2?
Then we will not apply midpoint theorem. Then we have to apply the we have to put the formulas and I have to put the 2. We can, like, if I will, for example, if 2 is there, so just give me a second, let me check. if 2x1 plus 2x2 is there, and then it's become 4, then also we can apply the same formula. If same number is there, if m1 and m2 are same, we will apply the same formula. How? See, you said that if m1 is 2 and m2 is 2, so I just wrote 2 and 2 like that. If I will take out 2 as a common, so it will become x1 plus x2, okay, by 4. This and this will cut, so it become the same formula. So if same number is there, like 4 is to 4, then also you can apply midpoint theorem formula. If 9 is to 9 is there, still you can use the same midpoint formula.
So we use midpoint theorem if both of the numbers, if m1 and
Yeah,
m2 are the same numbers.
yeah. Correct. Okay. Quickly write it down.
Okay, sir. So if both of the numbers are same, no? The ratio is like 1
Mm,
is to 1, 2 is to 2, or 3 is to 3. Mostly they give
mm,
1 is to 1 only because if you simplify, it will give the same thing.
yeah.
Exactly the same.
Even even if it is not simplified, and if they give 5 is to 5, you have to apply the same formula.
X1 plus X2 by 2 and Y1 plus Y2 by 2.
Perfect. Perfecto.
No, it's not perfecto. It's perfecto.
Perfecto.
Perfecto. M1 X2 X1 by M1 plus M1 X2 plus M2 X1.
Okay, I will give you the question. You guys have to solve it. Guys, remember
Wait,
this thing. Who said wait?
okay, wrote it down.
Yeah. So now I will give you the question. Yeah, you guys do it. Draw the diagram. Diagram is important. Okay. Could you draw it and send me the answer in the chat?
Uh, what does the question say? You forgot to write the F. It's just saying IND the midpoint. F fine. It should be fine, no? So put the F in front of I.
Oh, sorry.
F in front of IND.
Not India. It's fine.
Okay. M1 X2. Oh, okay.
You got the answer, guys?
Sir, what is the m1 and m2 here?
Yeah, if midpoint is there, then you can take 1:1 ratio. Like whenever you get the midpoint, there is no necessary that they will give any ratio. So if midpoint is there, you can take 1 and 1.
Got the answer, sir.
So can you do the sum once in the board?
Okay. No problem.
Send it to you, sir.
Thanks. Hmm?
Send it to you, sir. Send the answer.
Okay. Let us check this. So like it is 3 comma 4, it is 5 comma 12, and we know that the point is midpoint. So midpoint means the ratio is a midpoint. Okay, so 1:1. Okay, so now according to the midpoint theorem, it is x1 plus x2 by 2. Now what is x1? X1 is 3. What is x2? X2 is 5 by 2. It will become 8 by 2. It will become 4. Okay, I got the value of x is 4 and the y value is 12 plus 4 by 2, which is 16 by 2, which is 8. So I got x comma y as 4 comma 8. Did you understand, everyone?
Yes,
Any
sir.
problem?
Yeah, I also got 4,8.
Any problem, guys?
No, sir, it's clear.
Yeah. Okay. No.
This is easy.
Clear is this?
Yes, this is so easy, sir.
Yes. So easy. Thank you. You can appreciate me.
All clap for Hardik, sir.
Thank you. You will have good marks in the coming test. Good. Okay. So I will erase this.
Whoa.
How the denominator becomes 2, like the 1:1 ratio, because of that, or?
Because m1 plus m2 is
Oh
the
yeah.
denominator is m1 plus m2, and here m1 and m2 is 1 and 1, so it becomes 1 plus 1 2.
Oh, okay.
Simple as that. Okay, I will erase this now.
X1. M1 X2.
Okay, now this is the question. The coordinates of midpoint segments are 2 comma 3. Now everyone please pay attention. The coordinates of the midpoint of a segment are 2 comma 3. If the coordinates of one end of the line segment is 6 comma 5, find the coordinates of the other endpoint. So I request Agatha to draw the diagram. Just give me a second. I will allow you to annotate. Yeah. Can you draw the diagram? What the question is saying? Everyone do draw the diagram in your copy, and Agatha will draw the diagram on the board. Read the question one more time and then draw it.
I think it should look like this.
No.
No.
Yeah. No.
Agatha,
See, it is written the coordinates of the midpoint. Means this is the midpoint.
So 2 is the 3 supposed to come in the middle.
Midpoint, yeah.
Small mistake.
You took half of my board. This is 2 comma 3.
I also
And this
thought
is
about that only.
Yeah, this one only. And
6 comma 5. And the one end is x comma y, like that.
Yes.
Okay. So now we have the formula like x is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2. So the x is 2 because it's a midpoint x, no? So 2. X1 is 6 plus x by 2. So if I will solve this, it becomes 4 is equals to 6 plus x. So it will go that side, it becomes minus 2. x is equals to -2. In the same way, y can be written as y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, so the y is 3 is equals to y1 is 5 plus y upon 2. It will go that side. It will become 6 is equals to 5 plus y. This will go that side. It becomes 6 minus 5 is equals to y. Then y is equals to 1. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Wait, sir, give 2 minutes. I'm ready.
I hope you're getting this. Agatha, you're writing this?
Yeah, going to need to write the question, everything, right?
It will be good if you will write the question because I insist every student to write the question. So that when
Okay.
you're going through your notes, then it will be easy to understand, okay, this is the question and this is the answer. Yes, Betya.
Yeah.
How did you get to that side? Like, so x equals x1 plus x2 by 2, and then the second one
This
you've
is
written.
this denominator 2.
Yeah.
No, the x side.
So this is the midpoint, no? Like x1 and x2 are the sidewise, and this x2 is 2, like that.
Oh, okay, okay.
So this 3 and this 3.
Wait, sir.
Yeah.
Wait. 2 is equal to x1 plus 6y2.
Yeah, done?
Wait. Almost.
Okay, now put the heading centroid of triangle. I'm erasing this. Shall I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Put the heading centroid of triangle. Okay, so first of all, we will understand what do you mean by median. Anybody has any idea about median?
Yes,
So I
sir.
will ask this question from Bethia. What is median? Median.
Median. I don't know.
I know it.
Okay.
I know it.
Okay. I know. Anybody else who know median? Agatha, you know median? What is median?
I remember median delta means the midpoint. So I think it's the same here, right? The midpoint of a triangle.
No.
Okay, I know.
No.
I
Yeah. I will
exactly.
ask. I will ask Patrick. First, let
Okay.
me ask others also. Let me ask from Jeshran. Yes, Jeshran. What is median?
I think it's the line that goes from the midpoint one side of the triangle to the
Midpoint of a side
corner.
means it starts from the
From one
corner and
side to the opposite.
okay,
Yeah,
okay,
the center.
I know it.
okay. Berekin, do you have
No, sir. I have no idea of median.
Okay, so
I know.
Edric will tell me now.
Okay, so median of a triangle is the point where okay, the line where from the point to the center, the midpoint of the opposite side. For example, from
Yes,
A, no, the line from A, no, it and starts from A and it goes till the midpoint between B and C.
perfect.
Also
Same,
thinking
Very
of
good.
same thing for B, it goes in the midpoint between A and C. Then for from C, it
Yeah.
goes midpoint between A and B.
Okay. So Edric, if you will like this, then you will eat my job then. Okay. So basically, what was I'm trying to say? What is median? Median is the line which starts from corner and it will go to the opposite base and divides it into two equal parts. That is called
so
as median.
I was also thinking of the same thing.
But you said midpoint of a triangle. That is not correct. Like midpoint of triangle will be like that, no? That is not
Yeah.
correct. But it starts from the corner, it goes to the opposite base, and divides the base into same and equal bases, such that BD is equals to DC. Okay, and it doesn't mean that it will start from A only. It can be starts from B also, and it divides the base into two equal parts. Okay,
AE is equal to EC.
yeah, such that, yeah, okay, I will write this. If AD is median, then BD is equals to DC. If DE is median, then AE is equals to EC. And if
EF is a median.
CF is median,
AF,
okay,
AF is equal to FB. AF.
AF is equals to FB. So I will have to draw the median. Give me a second. Hmm. Okay, this is F. So did you understand the median? Yes or no? Miracle, Jashon, Betia. And for your kindly information, I taught you this thing. I taught you in the chapter construction. Miracle, you didn't join the construction chapter, no?
She was not
Yeah.
there.
Then you have excuse. And for Jashon and Betia, I don't know. No, Jashon was always correct. Like Jashon was mostly correct. But for Betia, I don't know. What is you don't know?
That's
You're not doing division. Always roaming here and there.
Bettia is very good girl because she moves, she travels.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Edric.
Welcome, Bettia.
traveling, not giving any test. Okay. So what is I'm trying to say? Median is like A from A and it starts to the opposite base and divide into two equal. Now everyone please pay attention. Don't write anything. I will give you time to write. Now a place where three median meet. A point where three median meet of a triangle. That point is called as centroid of triangle. Okay, that is called as centroid of triangle.
So, so all the three medians meet at a point, and that point is called centroid.
Yeah, centroid of a triangle. Okay,
Sir,
centroid of a triangle. Yes.
a triangle only has three medians, right? Since there's only
Yeah,
three
only
corners.
three median. Yeah, three corners, three median. Okay, so the place where better don't write the place where three medians met. That point is called as centroid of triangle. Okay, centroid of triangle. Now, basically, you should know that the centroid of a triangle. Okay. Okay. I will give you the first definition to write. Just give me a second. Okay. So first we will write the median. Okay, everyone, write it down this definition first. Now, everyone, write it down, please. Everyone, write it down.
There are 4 types of centers of a triangle.
Okay.
Okay, so you have centroid, orthocenter, circumcenter, and incenter.
Hmm.
Okay. Now I can. But all 4 of them are different points. They're not the same point.
Okay, done?
Wait,
Okay,
sir.
take your time.
Sir, is the end center of mass? I mean,
Which one?
in the center of a triangle, in the end of the sentence, they wrote center of mass. What does that mean?
This means that, okay. Um, if you want to balance, that means that, like, for example, every time when we are balancing an object, we always balance along the center of mass. Okay. Like if I will put my finger on the triangle, if I will put in the corner, it won't balance because the one side is heavy, it will fall down. Okay. It should be on the center of mass. So three medians where they meet, they met, that point will work always as a center of mass. Means if I will put my finger on the centroid of the triangle or the center of mass, then I will easily able to balance it. Did you
Oh,
understand?
yeah, thank you.
Okay, so everything that we balance, for example, sometimes um, we can take one example of like gyroscope. Gyroscope. There is okay. An easy example. Okay, flipping the water bottle. Huh? Okay, so when water is too high, okay, and when you will flip the water, then what happen? The water will not flip. Okay, if I will fill the water bottle up to the height, okay, and if I want to flip the water bottle, it won't, because the center of mass will come like more than above, okay, in that point. Okay, for making the water stable, I need center of mass should be downward so that the base can easily stick to the
Sir,
table.
sir.
Yeah,
So bottle flip is just like that's why when you do like a bottle flip or something, you basically like the water should be filled only till like quarter of it. Only
yeah,
not go above half. Then you won't be able to.
yeah. Yeah. So the photo flip we need. So you can't flip a new Bisleri bottle and you say I'm a grandmaster of bottle flipping. No, you can't do it. You need some science, some physics also. So this is a physics topic, 11th class physics topic. So center of mass is the mass on that the whole body will be there. If it is too high, the bottle is too high, the center of mass will move towards the above part. Then water will not, like if you flip it, the water will not able to.
Okay. So this is a bottle, and if the bottle is filled, the whole thing, the center of mass will be here. So you won't be able to flip.
Hmm,
But
hmm,
if the water is only filled till here, then the center of
uh,
mass is somewhere in the somewhere here only, somewhere down. So
some
then be able to,
half down. Yeah,
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 like a quarter of it, like, and then you'll be able to flip the bottle, and
perfect.
you'll be considered grandmaster of bottle flipping. But if you flip the bottle when it's empty, you won't be able to flip it because there's no
Yeah,
mass.
it's two down. There is no mass, and if it is goes to two down. Okay. Yeah.
So, guess.
Okay. Shall I raise this now? Okay. Now, if the coordinates of a triangle is given, if they ask you to find the centroid of a triangle, for example, this is A point, this is B, and this is C. If A it is given like x1 comma y1, and this is B is given which is x2 comma y2, and the C is given x3 comma y3, and if they ask you to find the centroid of a triangle, okay, centroid, I told you it's a point, center of mass where the three medians met. If they ask you to find the centroid of a triangle which have coordinates x comma y, so for finding the coordinates x comma y, it will be equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. And if you want to find the value of y, it will be equals to y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3.
3 because the ratio will be like 1 plus 1 is to 1 is to 1, right?
No. Basically, centroid of a triangle is a point which divides the median in the ratio of 2 is to 1. For example, if I will draw a line like this, so this point divides this median in the form of 2 is to 1. And then 2 plus 1 becomes 3.
How is it divided into 2 is to 1?
Because when, like for example, if I will draw this median here, and when I will divide this median here, so the above part, like from the corner to the point, the ratio will be 2, and then lower part from the point to the base, it is 1. So whenever three medians met, they met in the ratio of 2 is to 1. Like the above part is 2 and the below part is 1. Okay. Like they divide themselves in the form of 2 is to 1 ratio. So there's a formula to find it out how to get the x1, x2, x3, but there's no use of that. It will make you a little bit confused only. So we can get that like A, B, C, three points vertices coordinates are there. If you want to find the center of triangle, it becomes x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3.
So,
Did you understand?
so the x and y are the coordinates of the centroid.
Centroid, yes. Did you understand?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Miracle, did you understand anything?
Yeah, sir, I understood.
Agatha, what doubt do you have?
I'm still confused on 2:1 ratio.
Um. Okay. So, like for example, this is medium. Okay. The another medium will pass this medium in such a way that this above part will be 2 and the below part will be 1. For example, if this is 3 centimeter, the another median will cut in this way that the above part will be 2 centimeter and the below part will be 1 centimeter. That is the ratio which median will cut to each other.
Okay.
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 So two will be the side from A to the midpoint, and the one will be the
Midpoint to the base.
okay. From A to D is 2, and from B to D is 1.
Yeah, A to P. I wrote P here, not D. So A to P is 2 and P to the below one D is 1.
Okay.
Done, Agatha? You wrote this thing, this formula?
Yeah, going to write it down.
Quickly and done.
Done writing, sir.
Yeah, today I have to complete this chapter.
And tomorrow, what will you do then?
Tomorrow we'll do only science because science the chapters are very good. We have to complete the science.
So today
So
you'll do
tomorrow,
only maths, and tomorrow you'll do only science.
no, this is the last topic. Not then math chapter is completed.
And then from Monday onwards, you'll start new chapter in maths.
Yeah, we'll try. I want to complete science because the maths only 5 chapters are left. But in science, we have a lot of chapters are left. So we have to do a little bit science also.
Okay, then keep math 30 minutes and science 50 minutes.
Mm. Yeah, I'll try my best. If we can do this ratio also. Okay, shall I raise this? Okay. Now we will do this question.
Question.
Okay. The coordinates of a vertices of a triangle is 3, comma, -1, 10, comma, 7, and 5, comma, 3. Find the center of the triangle. Can you do it by yourself? Can you solve it by yourself, please? Try it. Quickly try it. For you guys, I will draw the diagram. Who will write in the group? Betya, write this thing in the group, okay? About the homework. And with this note, we have completed this chapter. So you got the answer?
Wait, sir. I'm writing the question.
Agatha, you got y axis wrong. Y point wrong. Otherwise, x is correct. No. Yeah. The y coordinates that you got, it is wrong. Solve one more time. Hmm. This is correct. Miraculin, you need help. Shall I do it?
Yeah, the denominator, sir.
Denominator is 3. Because centroid of a triangle, the denominator is always 3, no? So just write
Okay,
3.
okay. Okay. Then okay, I will do it.
Okay. A is minus 3 and 3 minus 1.
This is the answer. If you didn't understand, please ask me.
Homework is check your progress 19.3 and terminal exercise 467.
Yeah.
2 and 3 is from CYP 19.3, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And only A you said.
Yeah. I mean, it's your choice. If you have time, you can do B also. But there is no foundation. Okay. If you want to do more, you can do. Like maths is practice. So if you want to do more, you can do it if you have time. If you don't have time and you are very busy, okay, then you can do this only.
Right.
Like 7 plus 3 is 10 and 10 minus 1 is 9. So like that only 9 by 3 came, no?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed the maths class, but still the classes are not over. So you have 3 minutes break. Come back. We will have science class. Till then, not bye. Come back. Come back. Come back. Go and drink water.
Okay.
Okay, guys, come back, come back, come back, come back.
Yes, sir. I'm back, sir.
Back, back, back. Okay, so
Sir,
today
sir,
we
sir, sir,
will
sir. Wait,
learn.
wait, 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 wait. Why have you
Yeah, yeah,
written
yeah,
the
yeah.
word homework 2 times?
Oh, okay. So I will erase this one time. Okay, okay. This is noted. Okay.
Sir, because homework is bad, bad and bad means good. Because two homeworks mean they'll cancel each other out. That means no homework.
My God. Yes, correct. Very good. Okay. Now today we will learn about Coulomb's law. Okay. Coulomb law is one of the important law. Okay. Jashran, is Jahan is there? Is in Trivandrum. You are in Trivandrum, no? No, she's in Trivandrum.
Yes,
Okay, okay.
science is not here, I think.
Okay. Okay. So send his today, today stream video because the Coulomb's law, like Mama told me that he didn't did the electrical energy chapter, so he can see the Coulomb's law. Okay. So you can send him the today's video. Okay. So I will erase this. Okay. Now we will understand first what is Coulomb's law.
Coulomb. Coulomb.
Okay. Now everyone, please pay attention. Don't write anything. Please do. Please understand. Hello, hello, hello. Mic test, mic test, mic test. My net is working. Yes, it is perfectly fine. Okay, now everyone, please pay attention. Please pay attention. Okay, now understand it like this. Okay, there are two charges are there. For example, this is Q charge, and this is also Q charge. One is positive and one is negative. So this is positive, this is negative. Now, if I will bring them, like they will have a force between them. They will have a force between them. Yes or no? Yes. What force will be there? Force of attraction or force of repulsion? It will be
Attraction. Attraction.
force of attraction. Yeah. Perfect. Force of attraction. So Coulomb's law says that the force of attraction between the two charges, force of attraction can also be there and force of repulsion can also be there. For example, if I will take here both as positive charge, they will have repulsion force. So the force between the two charge object will always proportional to the product of their charges. For example, I will make you understand one more time. Please pay attention. Okay, so we have two cases. This is case number one, and this is case number two. Okay, the first case I will make it near to each other. Uh-huh. This is case one, and this is case two. Okay, if I will put a charge has a unit. Okay, everyone, please pay attention. Charge is a unit of coulomb. C. Okay, charge is a unit of coulomb. If I will put two charges, like for example, 4 coulomb and 8 coulomb, and another one is 5 coulomb and 10 coulomb. They both are positive charge. Okay, they both are positively charged. So, which one have more force of repulsion? First case or the second case? Give your
Second case.
point, please, everyone.
Second case.
Second case.
Because force is
Yes.
directly proportional to the product of the charges, no? So
Yeah.
to
I will come to this. I will come to this, but I'm randomly asking. I'm not asking that force directly proportional. I will normally asking which one have more force of repulsion. For example, Agatha, can you tell me? Agatha, can you tell me which case have more force of repulsion? First one or second one?
I don't know, but I don't know which one will have.
Okay,
Maybe.
we'll understand. We'll understand in the form of magnet. If you will take small magnet, the force of repulsion will be less. I mean, you can with your force you can put. If you will take big magnets like Goliath, like me, then there is a force of repulsion will be more because more magnetic power will have more force of attraction or more force of repulsion. Did you
So
understand?
since 5 coulomb is bigger than 4 coulomb, the force of attraction or repulsion in 5 coulomb will be more.
Yeah, not
Okay.
about only the 4 or 5, it about the product of them. Like the product of 4 and 8 will be 32, and the product of 5 and 10 will be 50. So because it has more product of charges, it has more force of repulsion. So the first point is that only that force between the charges will directly proportional to the product of their charge. First point. Did you understand me correctly? Okay. It
So force is equal to the
has
product of the charge.
not equals to, directly proportional to. Now, what does this mean? If the product of the charges is more, then the force will also be more. Okay. Like for
So
example, you
directly
can check.
proportional.
Yeah, directly proportional means if one value will increase, then another value will also increase. Okay. So you can check that if it is 50, it has more force rather than 32 coulomb force. Did you understand me correctly? No. Okay. The first point. This is the first point. The second point is if they have a distance between them is r. If the like separated distance is r.
R,
Like if they put
sir, R is
r is a
radius, no?
separate.
R is radius.
Yeah. R is not radius. R or some in some books it is written as d.
Yeah, D
R or
also
d.
there. D for distance, R for radius.
Yeah.
So
D.
radius means distance.
Yeah.
R for radius.
Yeah. So if they are separated by a distance r or distance d, no matter what, whatever the variable you can use. So force is indirectly proportional to the square of the distance between them, which means that you will increase the. Give me a second. Okay. Okay. Did you understand? Yes or no? Okay. So now, what the second statement means? If you will increase distance between them, the force will decrease. For example, I take two magnets. If I will increase the distance between them, so The magnetic power will be there? No. No. So magnetic power will decrease, no?
Yes, sir.
If north and south pole is too far, then there will be no reaction. If I will make them near, then there will little reaction. Then if it is more near, then they will stick. So the distance between them, if you will increase it, then other one will decrease. That is called as indirectly proportional. Means one will increase, the other will decrease. Directly proportional means one will increase, the another will also will increase, and indirectly proportional means the other, if one will decrease, the other one will also decrease. Let me complete, please. So this is second one. Okay. So from first and second, force is directly proportional to the product of the charges, but indirectly proportional to the square of the distance between them. Okay. And if I will remove this proportionality sign, one constant will come. One constant will come, which is called as Q by R square. That is called as Coulomb's law, where K has a fixed value that you have to use, which is 10 to the 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square Coulomb minus square.
Inverse square. Inverse.
Inverse square minus square. Okay. Okay, so this is the formula of a force. Okay, for example, let me complete it, then I will come to your doubt. Okay, for example, if the question will come that if two charges are there having a value this and this, and they are separated by distance having the value of this, and you have to find the force between them. So this is the formula in which K you have to use, which is this one. Q and R will be given to you. You have to use it and you have to solve it. We will do one question on it. Now it's your time. Any doubt in it?
Okay.
Well, he just cleared it.
I sent you something
You
in
cleared
the
this
chat
one?
box. I sent you something in a chat box.
Okay, let me check. Everyone write it down till then. Yeah, inversely proportional. Correct it. Yeah. So everyone understood? Miracle, did you understand, beta?
Yeah, sir. Can you tell points like yesterday you told? Like, it will be easy to write.
Which points, beta?
Uh, like the important points of today, Coulomb's law.
Okay, I will say. Okay, everyone first write it down. Then I will give you the points to write it to what you have to write.
Okay. So
And then
K,
tomorrow we'll do some questions on it. Yes.
so K is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square C minus square.
Coulomb inverse square.
Yeah, Coulomb inverse square. Okay. So, sir, then KQQ by R square. So,
Yeah.
same thing as, okay, you remember the gravitation chapter where F is equal to GMM by R square. And G is equal
Yeah, that is same.
and G is equal to 20 by 3 into 10 power minus 11 Newton meter square kg inverse square.
Yes, that is kg because mass came. Here it is charge because that's a Coulomb square. Yes, I got it.
So K is equal to 9 times 10, 9 square times
10 to the
Nm.
power 9. 10
Yeah,
to the
sorry, 10 to
power
the
9.
power 9. Nm to the power 2, then and then C negative square.
Yeah. N is Newton, which is a unit of force. M is meter, which is a unit of distance. R. C is the Coulomb, the Q charge. As I told you, charge is a unit of C, Coulomb. It is called as C.
Done, sir.
Done? Okay. Okay. Now, write it down.
Finish writing it down, sir.
Charles Augustine de Coulomb.
Huh?
Write it down. Charles Augustine day Coulomb. DE day. Or what da D do? What is that? Charles Augustine de Coulomb represented Coulomb's law. Charles Augustine de Coulomb, page number 363. Charles Augustine de Coulomb represented Coulomb's law. According to this Coulomb law, according to the Coulomb's law, the magnitude of force of attraction, the magnitude, and you can write in bracket value, or you can write value.
According to this,
According to this Coulomb's law,
Yes,
the magnitude, and in the magnitude you can write value. The magnitude of the force of attraction in bracket or repulsion
In bracket,
or repulsion
yes, sir.
between the 2 points charges, between the 2 points charges is directly proportional to is directly proportional to the product of
proportional to a product of
to the product of quantity of two charges directly proportional to the product of quantity of two charges and inversely proportional to the square of the square of the distance between them, to the square of the distance between them. So this is Coulomb's law. It is directly proportional to the product of the charges and indirectly proportional to the distance between them. Did you understand?
square of the distance between law. Is it?
Between them.
so
Yes, Agani.
Coulomb's law is basically saying that force is directly proportional to the product of the charges and indirectly proportional to the distance square.
Why?
Yeah, distance
Why
between
is
them.
the r square, the radius square, the distance square?
Yeah. Okay. So we'll do one question based on it. Okay. Everyone, please pay attention. Okay. For example, if 1 coulomb, like the value of Q, capital Q is given as 3 coulomb. Everyone, please pay attention. Please pay attention. I will give you time to write. And another small q is given 4c. And they told us that the distance between them, the r is 2 meter. Okay. And find the force between them. This is the question. So how we will solve this? We know the formula. F is equals to K capital Q small q by r square. This is the formula where K is 9 into 10 to the power minus 9
And
Newton
plus
meter square. Plus 9, sorry.
9.
Let me check. It is plus 9 or minus 9? It is plus 9. Okay. Yeah, it is plus 9.
Plus 9. You wrote minus
It is plus 9.
plus 9.
Yeah, I think it's minus 9.
But for G it was minus 11. So here it should be minus 9, you're saying?
Let me check. In the book, I think it's not correct.
Plus. I'll check the book, okay? It says plus 9
So
or minus 9.
give us the formula as plus 9.
Yeah, that's why.
Wait,
But
what? Wait,
it is minus
I'll
9.
check the book. I'll check the book.
Yeah, it is written as plus
Plus
9
9.
only.
Book is saying plus 9.
Okay, plus 9. So we'll take plus 9 also. Okay. And so what we will do, we will put the,
But sir,
we will put,
in the answer it is given minus 9 Newton. Minus 9.
yeah, that is not correct. That is not correct. So this is 3, this is 4 upon the distance between them is 2. Okay, so I will write 9 to the 27. 27 4 ja. What is 27 4 ja? 9 for 36. 108. I guess. Yeah, 108. Into 10 to the power 9 upon 4. If I will solve this, it will become how much? 4 2s it become 54, not 54, yeah, 54. So become 1 is become 27. So the answer will be 27. If this is too high force, yeah.
7 should be minus 9. Minus 9.
Yeah.
Yeah, minus 9 is correct. With this 27 and 10 power minus 9 Newton, it can end the universe.
Yeah.
So we need minus 9 only is correct then.
But in the Google also it's saying plus 9 only.
Plus 9. Leave it, right? Minus 9 only. Right? Minus.
Let me check. Let me check.
Minus 9.
Let me check. It is showing plus E only.
Plus 9. Okay. So the charge, okay. No, it can't be 27 10 power minus 9 or 2.7 into 10 power 10.
It can be like that only because the 3 coulomb is too high. I mean, the charges are usually in the form of 10 to the power minus 6, 10 to the power minus 8. So if I am taking 3 coulomb and 4 coulomb charge, it is too high. That is the reason the force which is coming between them is too high. Like a body cannot be 3 coulomb charge body. That may be the reason it's showing
The
that
body
force.
can't be this much only. Like 96,000 coulomb, I've heard something. 96,000 coulomb. Huge coulomb.
I don't know. Even in the Google is saying that same answer. So
Wrong.
we have to check this.
Ask the chat GPT.
Yeah, you try this and ask the chat GPT, but the same answer is, but it's just too much for even I am. Anyway, okay, no problem. So this is how we will solve it. Okay, so I just put the value of k, q, capital Q, small q, and r, and just solve it. Okay, yes, just solve.
So what about the nm square?
The nm square, n is the Newton and m square is the meter square, and the c minus square is the Coulomb inverse square, which is a unit. These are the units. Like force is a unit of Newton. Na? That's why it's the same way. The k also has a unit. This whole thing is a unit of k.
Okay, sir, but it doesn't look like you've written the whole unit there. When you put the
Whole?
value in, it doesn't look like whole. Doesn't look like it's the whole unit. You've only written 9 into 10 to the power 9.
Yeah, but in the while solving it, we don't write units. Na? Like I don't write 3 Coulomb, 4 Coulomb, 2 meter. In the solving that, we will not write units. We'll write only numbers.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Agatha, you understand? You understood? Yes or no?
Yes,
Sir,
sir. Formula
sir-
is just 9 times 10 to the power 9.
Yeah, it is 9 only. It's showing 9 only, so we have to go through 9 only.
Okay.
Yeah, Miracle, you're saying something.
like I was telling, like, if you label the things like Q, what is Q, the big Q is the small Q is, then it will be easy to study. Like,
Yeah, but in the question, there is no labeling. You guys have to label it. You guys have to find it out.
Wait.
Like today, tomorrow, because only science class will be there, so I will give you the question to solve. Then you guys have to label it. What is Q? What is Q? What is R? What is that? Okay.
Wait.
Okay.
Even Wikipedia is also saying +9.
That's what I'm saying. No. Why? What is the reason? Okay. So I hope you have enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Tata Vishwa Care. Sayonara.
Bye
Signing off.
bye.
Bye, sir. Bye,
Bye.